So we're looking for houses online last night. I'm having fun, guys. You wanna him mad? You wanna see him mad? Like,
knock it off.
Good morning, everything. Good morning, guys. It's almost 12 o'clock na. May problema tayo. Si Hubs talagang nagkalat, guys. Ang daming puti sa ilalim ng Christmas tree doon. Nagkalat. So, ang problema pala nitong Christmas tree na to is kailangan mong mag-vacuum every day because you have an annoying son of a gun. So, yun. Nandun si Tami. Say good morning, Han.
Morning, guys.
Morning daw, oy. So, yung alis po tayo. Punta tayo sa ano, sa dollar store. Well, actually, it's not a dollar store, but like 5. So, punta lang tayo doon. Magbibili tayo ng purple na ornaments. Yung paboritong color ko, purple. Kakain din tayo kasi kain tayo ng lunch bago tayo alis kasi ano, guys. It's almost 12 o'clock na. May tami mo. Naglagay ng medyas. So, meron pa akong ilagay doon. Ang grabe talagang kalat itong mga pusang to. I don't know if you can see, guys, oh. Oh my God. May ano tayo dito, pusa. Purple, diba? Maganda siya. And, I'm going to eat something. I don't know if kung... Han? Do you want to have lunch? No, you get hungry, baby boy. I get hungry too.
I have a sandwich for breakfast, bro.
Oh, you have... How? Me, I have only like bread.
Yeah, you have lunch.
We have to go. We're just gonna eat this. Just gonna eat this.
Have your lunch. I still have a full cup of coffee, so you got plenty of time for lunch.
Okay, you sure?
Positive.
Then how they could walk through that guy.
Yeah. Eat your lunch. Have your lunch.
Kikain muna tayo ng lunch, guys. Kasi may
No, man, is your belly growling? Is that why you come out?
Growling, you make a mess in there.
So I come out because it's time for food.
Ay, naku, tulog ko. Tignan nyo,
It's
guys.
time for food.
Look at that. He always sit.
12 o'clock, it's time for your food.
That's who he is, guys. He always sit where Dada's feet.
Time for food.
Trying to tell him, Dada, I want food. Alam nyo, kumain siya ng puti ng Christmas tree. Hindi man a lot, pero kumain siya. This morning, guys, nagsuka-suka. Sabi ko, ay naku talaga. Hinapak ko na talaga. Never ko yan sinaktang pusa na yan kasi sobrang mahal na mahal namin. Pero ayaw ko namang magka-problema siya. Sinapak ko, sabi ko, huwag kang kakain. Kumain, guys. Kaninang umaga talaga nagsuka. Alam nyo ba kung anong sinuka niya? Yung mga puti-puti. You know, Hubs, I told you, right? That he threw up all the whites he ate already?
Yeah.
Hard-head cat. I need rice again. Kailangan kong kumain ng rice. Yung in-order ko na ano sa couch cover, darating yun mamaya. Okay, guys, let's go. Take mga bahog. Take mo rin, ha? Take na puti. Kilala nyo yung, ano ba? Alam nyo yung tik-tik, guys? Sarap yung lugawin. Lagyan ng ano, asukal. And condense yung...
You go to the discount store to buy discount Christmas balls because we don't have 8 million balls ready. Okay.
I want color balls. I don't want white balls.
I know we got like tons of freaking Christmas stuff.
Han, we don't have...
I don't get it, but...
What? We don't have tons?
Tons.
I want...
We got enough to decorate 5 trees.
Yeah, right. You're dreaming. You guys, Tommy is so funny. Somebody's driving here very slow. And I said, Han, he's old. And I said, you're gonna be like that one day.
Watch.
Yeah, I know, Han.
Okay.
God.
He's not even looking at it like fuck everybody.
Yeah. So I said, "Han, behave. You're gonna be like that one day." And he said, "No. When I get older, I drive.
I walk slower, drive faster.
Yeah, walk slower and drive faster." I said, "I'm gonna drive faster." I said, "No, just like mom." I said, "No, I'm gonna walk slower and drive faster." and
That's my goal.
So his goal, guys, is when he's old, he knows he's gonna be walk very slow. Okay, so because he walk very slow, the only thing that he can
right there. Right there. Right there.
Oh my God, Han, I'm the one who's driving. Okay, not
Clearly
you.
not very well.
Seriously, that's the only thing you feel like doing faster is the drive, right? Anyway, guys, we are going out there.
No, I'll feel like walking faster. I just won't be able to. But I'll be able to drive faster.
I think you're gonna use the cart and roll like I used to.
There you go.
Okay, guys, we're gonna get some balls. Hi, guys. So we are done, guys. We are done. Okay, we get a lot of balls, different kind of balls, different color. And you know what? We're going home. And there is a store over here, guys. It's this crazy dollar. And then it says jeans, $15.
That's the store you just came out of, hon.
Huh?
That's the store you just came out of.
No, it's not.
Hon?
We'll go over there.
Yeah, and you go right across.
God, it's crazy. Why do they name it two different kinds?
See that? See the doors for that store? What do they say on those doors?
Huh? Exit.
There you go.
Okay, guys. So the crazy dollar is not that crazy. Okay, guys. We're going home. We're going home.
Nothing crazy about the store is the people who shop there.
and
and do their nose there.
who's not nice now? I'm not gonna drive if you're gonna say forgive me.
I'll switch. I'll drive.
Say forgive
I'll
me.
drive. No, I'll drive.
No, forgive
I'll
me.
drive.
Kauwi na kami, guys. Pero nakalimutan namin yung Christmas decoration dito. So, I guess, itong, hindi siya purple. Mixed color po siya kasi hindi ko nakuha yung purple. Ang dami kasi, guys. 101 yung purple. So, parang ang dami naman. So, imimix ko na lang itong mga ornaments. So, ang nakuha namin is ito, grandma. Grandma, may nakalagay na grandma, guys. Move away, ha? I'm not happy with you. Go away. Bad boy, ha? Bad boy. At saka itong blue, and then silver, and itong gold na matte yung color niya, and itong rose gold gusto ni Tammy. So, ilagay natin siya. Okay, lagay tayo ng Christmas ornament. Okay? Lagay tayo, guys. Hello, guys. So, punta tayo dito sa taas kasi si Tammy doon na naman siya nag-i-edit nag-film. Sabi ko mag-film ka, hindi ako makapag-edit doon kasi maririnig yung ini-edit ko. Mag-order tayo, pero bago po tayo mag-edit, nag-shout out tayo sa vlog ngayon. I'm talking about IBF. Dahil kay Simply Race, diba? So, mag-shout out tayo. Knives Raudel. Hi! Basahin ko na lang yung pangalan. Hindi ko mabasa kasi madami, okay? Hi sa inyo, mga ka-sister, mga ka-everything. Larissa, magdandahan yung boses ko kasi nag-film na si Tammy. Larissa Santiago, Maria Ili, Caroline Tuliao, and si Marlene Salazar, Evangelina Andriano, si Grace Manalo, Ningning Perer, Kania Cocho, at saka si Margie Lupis, si Annie Sarabusing, and also si Lina Liavares, at sa si Rosa, at saka si Elsa Maglalang, Nora Sanchez, Dayan Bello, Merlin Benedicto, Rosie Paalisbo, Marilo Servana, Pia de la Cruz, hello po, si Lainey Gadaingan, at saka si Will Salvlog, hello po, tinapato, Rizal Hernandez, Estelita Genido, Lilo, hello, Rosalyn Pisadas, Trixie Yuhan, at saka si Rose Palawan. Hello po. Si Floor TV, I think this is my channel po siya. Si Floor TV. At Maricel Disina, Tunji Sulayaw, si Wonder Lola, at saka si Cynthia Gatona, and Mary Chris Kalibay. Hello po. Mami Rosa Balye, hello. Si Daniel Catalan. Hello, Daniel Catalan. Alam nyo, maraming mga Catalan sa Bislig. Hindi naman marami. May naano lang akong Catalan. At saka si Angel Castellano. Okay. Si Daisy Teresa. Hello po. And si Alfred Lagona. Hello. Annabelle Otwood. Hello po. Atwood or Atwood. Si Vilma Mangiyob, basta yun na yun. Mahirapan ako, sorry na. Isabelita Miliandres. Hindi ko na mabasa lahat, guys, ha? Si Jim Cruz, si Shedu Pitches. Do you know I'm sleepy? Pasensya na, guys. It's chili. Chili pepper. Pepper, chili. I know. Tapusin ko lang din to, guys. I don't know when. I think ang gagawin ko muna is maglagay ng string kasi wala palang ano ito Walang kaanek-anek Walang, hindi siya mabibitay. Hi guys. This is what we do in life. Ginawan ko na ng itong mga ito. Lagyan ng hikot. Lagyan ng hikot, guys. Para bibitayin doon, no? Bitayin. Look guys, ang ganda ng blue. 'Di ba? Ang ganda ng blue at saka yung purple, tignan niyo. Yung purple, blue, like dark burgundy look. Burgundy, purple lily, no? At saka yung blue, ang ganda tignan. Guys, nilagay ko yung mga maliliit na housey sa ilalim ng tree. Meron tayo dito And may mga maliliit na tao. Look. Maliliit na tao. Ano pang andito? Meron tayong konting chicken dito, guys. Let me see. I like the bones, but I like it recooked. Okay, guys. Lutuin ko lang itong kaunting chicken. Meron naman kaming mga leftover na meat. Gusto ko lang siyang lutuin, and also wala na pala akong rice. Hala ka diya. Hanap tayo ng gulay for tomato. Wow. 5 o'clock na pala guys. Magluto na tayo ng rice guys. Okay guys. Hindi ko alam yung feeling. Feeling na maginaw. Meron kasi ako guys. Diba? Napipil ko na to. Ngayon pa lumabas si Kigwa. Kapag winter talaga guys, ano? Eh, nako, ang daming magkasakit. Dahil sa yung depression. Nakaka-depress kasi yung winter guys. Oy, as in. Parang, ay, ang pangit lumabas. Parang nakaka-depress talaga yung winter. Gusto kong sabi ko kay Tami, kagabi, alam nyo kagabi, nag-usap yung kaibigan niya kagabi, tagal guys, humiga na lang kami, nag-usap pa rin sila. So, napag-usapan nila yung kasi may ano siya doon sa Florida, may ano siya, may paupahan ito. Okay, you feed them, okay? But there is stuff in here yet first.
Of course.
So, may paupahan siya dun sa Florida. Remember, last night, I'm talking to them. So, you're talking to your friends last night. So, we went to bed. You guys end up like talking about Kunde and then moving over there because of whatever politics. And then Tommy told them, I really wanna transfer to Florida.
Because you did.
Yeah, you said I want to transfer. I wanna move. Sell this house and buy a house sa Florida. So, ngayon, nasabi niya yun. Sabi ko, bilis ako. Nakatingin ako. I went to my phone looking for houses. Kasi sabi ng kaibigan niya, so, kapag mabinta itong bahay namin, plus yung condo niya doon, so, may pera. Diba? May pera. Bilis ako. Sabi ko, hanap tayo ng bahay. For ano lang ba? For kind of like, you know, so, tinatingin ako kung anong bahay. Alam ko naman yung mga bahay. Magaganda yung mga bahay sa Florida. Yung mga roofing nila, maganda. Yung parang Caribbean ba. Sus, magagandang bahay, guys. Sa surprise na bahay namin dito, ang laki doon sa Florida. Ang laki. Sabi ko pa, kay gusto kong mag-move. Sabi ko kay Tami, gusto ko nang mag-move. Ibinta natin ito. Move tayo doon. Kasi matagal na talaga akong gusto doon. Si Tami, nakatira na siya doon matagal na. And then may kondo siya doon. Pero yung kondo niya, dapat ibinta dahil, iwan ko, I told him that, you know, we cannot live in your condo because we have dogs and cats. So we cannot live there. So we're looking for houses online last night. I'm having fun, guys.
No, you're looking for houses online.
I did.
I'm not looking for nothing.
I did.
Nothing.
Ayaw talaga niya dun, guys. Init daw, guys. Ayaw talaga ni Tami, guys. He doesn't really want to move there. But if he doesn't have a choice, guys, I'm going to drag him over there with the wheelchair. Wheelchair. So, he's gonna sell the condo. We're gonna sell this house.
Why don't you get your fan out of 6 so I can watch it?
Naghihintay pala siya sa akin, guys. Come here! Nako. So, you know, we're gonna buy a house. The house of this price of this house. It's a big house over there with a swimming pool, with a crocodile. Crocodile because there's water in the back. And also, there are cheap houses, guys, like 100 up down, below, and you know, it's small, but it's not bad. Oh my God. Tammy and I like recooking. I mean, I'm the one who's recooking, and Tammy like recooking. Like, he likes the taste. So, are you gonna use the freaking sink?
Clean myself out of it? No.
Not yet. Not yet, love.
Yeah, you make the mess and I gotta clean it.
Hold on. I'll do it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Hold on.
How
Move.
long ago did you make the mess?
Move.
5 hours ago. Forget it. Go back to what you're doing.
Oh my
5
God.
hours later. Oh, I was gonna do it.
Ang banguhan. Why you are so bango?
Go.
Ang bango.
Go back to your talking to your camera.
Ayaw niya yung puwit niya. Tumitigas yung puwit niya, guys. Hawakan ko, titigas. Allah, ang gahit naman.
Knock it off.
Ang gahit ng puwit niya, guys.
Knock it off.
Be dito, be kung gumagahe.
Done.
Look, he's mad at me, guys. That's the first time you guys see him mad.
Yeah.
You wanna him mad? You wanna see him mad? Like,
Knock it off. Seriously?
Galit, mister. Ayaw, ma-joke talaga. Oy, ayaw talaga niya yung nuti-nuti. Kami ni. Han, guys, 5 hours daw.
5 hours.
It's not 5 hours, Han, just today.
Yeah, it's today. It's before 12. It's already after 5.
No, just this after now.
Before 12. You. God bless you. God bless you.
Oh God. No, that's not it.
What was in there?
The chicken just now.
Oh,
God, he's accusing me all the time that I never wash dishes. And I have to rewash it.
yeah, okay.
He doesn't know how to wash.
Yeah, okay. We'll do another video. I'll show you the stuff after she watches it and after I watch it. We'll see.
Okay, we'll see.
We'll see.
We'll see. There's a lot of grease things.
There is a lot of grease when you watch.
No, you do. Ang ganda talaga ng Christmas tree na pag may Christmas tree. Ang saya ng Christmas. Tiri, Christmas tree. Ang saya ng Christmas. Andito na siguro na. Ito yung mother-in-law ko. Grandma kasi yung tawag nila sa kanya. Let's close the window blind. Yun, close lang natin yan. And guys, mag-ano tayo? Maglinis lang sa mukha. Ganon kasi alam nyo naman. Naglagay ako ng foundation ngayong araw ba? Asan yung ano? Hindi. Tanggal tayo ng makeup. At least kaunting foundation lang yung nilagay ko, guys. Kasi sabi ko, maglagay ito ay kaunti. Hindi naman yung talagang tabon. Pang ano lang ba? Ito yung foaming Neutrogena cleanser. Maganda talaga to siya na cleanser na to. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hanggang dito na lang po tayo, ha? Kasi balik tayo sa pag-i-edit, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Ila-like no la lang yung video, guys. Please like the video. Kasi, yun. Like the video and please subscribe. Kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, nasa sa inyo na yun, guys. Pero like the video, okay? Thank you, guys. Sa pagla-like, sa panonood, sa pag-click, di ba? I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys. Good night.